Understanding Looking Radiant, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, looking radiant. It's a common expression in English, often used to compliment someone. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Looking radiant is a phrase used to describe someone who appears very happy, healthy, and full of energy. It often implies that they are glowing with happiness or health. We'll break down the word radiant, which is key to understanding this phrase. Radiant comes from the word radiance, which refers to a light or heat that shines brightly and warmly. When applied to a person, it suggests they are shining in a similar way, either through their appearance or their mood. Now let's look at some examples. 1. After her vacation, Lisa came back looking radiant. 2. You look radiant today. Is there any special occasion? These examples show how the phrase can be used to compliment someone on their appearance or to comment positively on their mood. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few synonyms for radiant: glowing, beaming, bright, shining. Each of these can be used in a similar context, although they might carry slightly different connotations. It's important to know that looking radiant is often used in positive and friendly contexts. It's a compliment and is generally well received. However, be mindful of the situation and the relationship you have with the person you're complimenting. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, looking radiant, and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations is the best way to master them. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English language learning content.